Good afternoon, Billy King here with A+ Windows. Today we're doing another series of Getting Real with Bill. The purpose of the series, or this video today, is to determine how effective replacement windows are at diminishing noise. In other words, if you live in a neighborhood where there's barking dogs, there's a high trafficked area, or maybe you have a boisterous neighbor that's playing music or they're fussing between each other, what have you, and you just want some relief. You want to know, hey, what if I buy some replacement windows? Would that really reduce that noise? Would it make my house quieter? Would I have some peace and quiet? Well, hey, we're going to see today. What we have here is we have a digital measuring device, and it measures noise. It measures it in increments of decibels. So as you can see outside, we have George out here, one of our employees, and he's holding a steel leaf blower, gasoline leaf blower, and it's really noisy. He don't have it running wide open now, but he's getting ready to. I'm going to open this window, and I'm going to get George to crank that thing wide open, and then we're going to use this device to measure how loud it is. After that, we will close the window, and we'll get a measurement with the window closed. Okay, you ready? Let's check it out. George, hit it! Now we have the window closed, and next we're going to measure what type of noise reduction we have. Okay, George, hit it. Okay, so we see, what did we learn today? We learned that that leaf blower running wide open with the window open versus the window closed, it went from about 89.8, 90 decibels, and it dropped down to around 68 to 70. So if you do the calculations on that, that's about a 25% reduction in noise with these replacement windows in and when they're closed. That's very significant. As you can see now, with George just sitting out there, the leaf blower's running when I'm not talking. It's around 47 or 48 with the thing running wide open. It goes up about 16 or 17 decibels. Of course, when it's open, from 47 to 90, it's about 42 or 43 decibels. So that's a very significant difference. Hey, I hope this video helps you in making a decision whether you should get replacement windows or not. All I can tell you is you got the real deal. And if you're in the Richmond area, you're looking to replace your windows, call us at A+ Windows, or you can check us out online at apluswindows.com. Thank you very much for watching.